Hello student, welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to see the last part of our chapter number 6, that is the mouse. So in the mouse last part we are going to see, that is part 2. So in previous class we have learned about what is a mouse, parts of mouse, holding a mouse and using a mouse. In mouse we have learned that mouse is a pointing device. We also learn mouse is used to draw and paint. We also see the parts of mouse, that it has two buttons. One is left mouse button and right mouse button. Then we also learn about the and also have a scroll wheel on it. Then we have also learned about the holding a mouse. Okay, so we keep our palm on the mouse and index finger on the left button while middle finger on the right button. Now using a mouse, what is the using mouse? By pressing the mouse button is called clicking. Okay, and it is used to draw and to select the object. For this purpose mouse is using. So all these things we have learned in our previous class. Now the remaining thing of this chapter we are going to see in this class. Now in this we are going to see functions of mouse, how our mouse will work in different way. So clicking a mouse button in different way to perform different function. When you click a mouse button in different way, your mouse will perform the different function. Okay, so see, first it is a single click, then double click and right click. Now we are going to see how this single click, double click and right click will perform when we press this button. Okay, singly we press the mouse button, or doubly we press the mouse button, or when we press the right mouse button, which function will perform, we are going to see this. So see, single click, press left mouse button once, it's called single click. Now when you press left mouse button one time, okay, is called single click, as shown in the picture. Can you see that? Yes, in the picture it is showing that your index finger is clicking the left mouse button, and how many times it will be pressed? It will press once. So when you press the left mouse button once, it's called single clicking. When you press mouse button once, it's called single clicking. Getting? Yes. Okay, now the next, double clicking. Now what is double click? When you click a mouse button twice, it's called double clicking. So see here, pressing left mouse button 2 times or twice quickly, it's called double clicking. Okay, when you press a left mouse button 2 times or twice and quickly you have to press, okay, not slowly, okay, that it will become a single click. Okay, you have to press this button 2 times and very quickly, then only it will called a double click. So pressing left mouse button 2 times quickly is called double clicking, as it is shown in the picture. See how that index finger is pressing the left mouse button quickly, it will press. Okay, it will not take any pause or any time between two clickings. Okay, it will quickly press the left mouse button 2 times, so it is called a double click. Okay, so pressing left mouse button twice quickly called double clicking. Now the next, what is the next? Right click. Okay, now right click, when you press the right mouse button once, it's called right click. Okay, how many times you will press right button? Only once. Okay, only one time you will going to press the right mouse button. Okay, so it is called a right click. So when you press the right mouse button only once, it's called a right click. Getting now all of you what is the single clicking, what is double clicking, and what is the right clicking? Yes, single click means left mouse button singly one time you can click, is called single. Double, 2 times you can click the left mouse button, is called double clicking. And right click, only one times you will press the right mouse button, is called right clicking. Got it this? Yes. Okay, now the next is dragging a mouse. So what is a dragging? Means clicking and holding left mouse button while moving the mouse is called dragging. So see in the picture, okay, that the one file is moving, okay, with the help of mouse, it's called dragging from one place to another, it's called dragging. So for what you have to do, you have to click the left mouse button and you have to hold it. Okay, don't release that left mouse button. Okay, you have to hold it. till where you want to move that file or folder. Okay, that it is called dragging. Okay, so clicking and holding left button while moving the mouse is called dragging. Okay, now the next. So dragging, again, the drag the mouse to move the object from one place to another on the monitor. So see in the picture, can you able to see? Yes, see that there is a one item, one objects are there, one item is there. Okay, in that there is a camera. Okay, now see how it is moving. Okay, so how it is moving with the help of this mouse. So when you click the left mouse button and hold it on that item, okay, with the help of mouse you can move these items, you can move this object. Okay, so see here the camera. Okay, so we have selected the camera, so that when we select any object, the color of that object will get changed. Okay, so we select the camera. Okay, and we are moving it, we are moving it with the help of mouse. So drag the mouse to move the object from one place to another place on the monitor. When you want to move any object from one place to another, you have to select it. Okay, and you want to change the place of that object, you just select it and move the whatever place you want, and you can release the left mouse button. Getting? Yes. Okay, now also drag the mouse to draw shapes and picture. Now see in the picture, you can easily see that how we can drag or we can draw with the help of mouse. Okay, so also drag the mouse to draw shapes and pictures. See which shape we are using here, we have used the circle. Okay, so like this you can draw, you can drag with the, you can draw the shapes and picture with the help of mouse. Okay, getting this, how dragging is used? Yes. Okay, so the next is the scroll wheel. So scroll wheel, all of you know scroll wheel, we already seen that in the holding the mouse we have learned that how we can scroll with the help of our index finger, we can scroll the scroll wheel. So where this scroll wheel is located? So this scroll wheel is located between the left and the right mouse button, means in the middle of the left and the right mouse button this scroll wheel is located. So for what purpose this scroll wheel is used? So it is used for scrolling up and down on the monitor. If you want to scroll up and down on the monitor, for this purpose this scroll wheel is used. So you can scroll the mouse wheel with the help of your index finger forward, or you can also scroll it to the backward also. Okay, so suppose if, for example, if you are open any MS Word, okay, so there are 2-3 pages. If you want to go to the second page or third page, with the help of this mouse scrolling wheel you can go to the third page, and if you want again come to the first page, with the help of this scrolling you can come to the first page. For that you have to scroll up and down, means when you want to go to the third page you can scroll it down, okay, and backward we can say, or if you want to go on the first page you can scroll it on the up, or you can say forward, you can scroll that mouse wheel. Okay, getting this scrolling scroll wheel, how it is used? Yes. Okay, so here our chapter number 6, the mouse, is end. Before we will take a leave, we will see what we have learned in this chapter. So we have learned a little more about the mouse. We also learn about the parts of the mouse. Then we also learn about how to hold a mouse and using a mouse. Then we also see the different functions of a mouse, like single clicking, what is single clicking, double clicking, and what is a right click. Then we also see a dragging a mouse, how to move one object from one place to another place on a monitor with the help of this mouse. Then we have also learned about the scroll wheel, what is the use of the scroll wheel. Okay, so all these things we have learned in this chapter. Now we are going to meet you in next class with a new chapter. Till then you have to revise whatever I have taught you. Okay, till then take care. Thank you.